Hello everyone, it's Miss Thomas, and today we are looking at the area of a triangle using a trig formula. So no more 1/2 base times height. So you would use this formula when you have a non-right triangle or when you don't have the information that you need, but you do have information about angles and side lengths. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 BC sine of A, and that would look like a triangle ABC, and we remember we label our sides in lowercase letters based on what angle they're across from. So when I look here, this is side B, across from here is side C, and across from the A is side A. So when we see 1/2 BC sine of A, this A is the angle, and B and C are the sides that make that angle. So it's two sides and their included angle. So let's look at an example of that. So if we wanted to find the area of these two triangles, we have our first triangle. We have an angle, which is 50 degrees, and the two sides that make that angle. So that is critical. It has to be two sides and the angle between them. So our area is going to be 1/2, one of the sides, second side, and sine of the angle. So that's 12 sine of 50, which is 9 1900 centimeters squared. And this one is for you to try.